Welcome to the Integrated Data Repository, or IDR, Overview and Data Analytics Training. In this video, we will be reviewing the list of videos included for this online, self-paced IODA training series. The purpose of this IODA training course is to allow you to acquire a high-level knowledge of the Medicare program, claim lifecycle, and data housed in the IDR. This course introduces key IDR concepts, resources, and tools available to assist IDR users in navigating and using the IDR. You may view these videos in any order you like, depending on your experience level. However, if you are new to using the IDR, it is advised that you view the training videos in the following order. This first video is the introduction to the IODA training course. Video 2 is a high-level overview of Medicare. It discusses who is eligible for Medicare, what programs Medicare offers, and the coverage each provides, the differences between Medicare and Medicaid, and the functions of a Medicare administrative contractor. Video 3 demonstrates the life cycle of a Medicare fee-for-service claim, from service delivery to claim payment. Video 4 introduces Medicare Advantage plans and examines the life cycle of an encounter data record. Video 5 defines the Integrated Data Repository and discusses how it is used, including its mission, how it has evolved over time, and what types of business solutions it provides using the data it contains. Video 6 discusses key virtual data marts available in the IDR, the types of claims housed in each VDM, and the differences between the Medicare VDM and the access layer. Video 7 demonstrates how to access and use the various resources and documentation available to IDR users, including the CMS IDR SharePoint site, the Data Dictionary user interface, and the resdac.org website. It also reviews the EUA job codes you will need to access the IDR and various tools, how to sign up for CMS SQL training, and some important contact information for any questions you may have about the IDR. Video 8 is an in-depth review of the claims data in the IDR, including the types of claims available, claim type codes, and joining claim views. Video 9 covers some miscellaneous good-to-know claims topics, such as the claims refresh schedule, the institutional type of bill codes, why there are empty columns in the IDR, signature surrogate keys, diagnosis and procedure codes, and how the IDR handles claims data from various sources. Video 10 is an overview of provider MPIs. You learn which MPIs are found on various claim types, understand the differences between MPIs provided by the source versus ones obtained through a lookup of the provider view, and review the provider data available in the access layer. Video 11 introduces the concept of transaction tracking in the IDR. Video 12 reviews how provider data is stored in the IDR, what a provider must obtain and do to submit healthcare and Medicare claims, and you will learn about the three main sources of provider data in the IDR. Video 13 is an overview of beneficiary data in the IDR. You will learn about the different beneficiary data sources and various beneficiary identifiers and primary keys. It will also discuss the differences between current and historical beneficiary data and how transactional tracking is applied to beneficiary views. Video 14 talks about reference code tables in the IDR and how they are used. It talks about joining from reference tables to claims, provider, and beneficiary views, and how some reference table views are date sensitive. Video 15 includes the concept of claim families and final action processing for claim NCH fee-for-service claims. Video 16 demonstrates as-is and as-was reporting in the IDR and reviews several examples in detail. Finally, Video 17 will use the opioid crisis as an example of how IDR data can be used to address a specific issue. We will also show a real-life example of how IDR claims data was used to gather evidence against a Medicare provider who was convicted of Medicare fraud.